Okay, guys, get ready for the Holy Grail. This sound I'm recording on the RC Pro controller, and it is being embedded in the high quality video as I'm operating. Just rising up, gonna go forwards, and that is coming towards the Pacific Ocean. I'm flying over Del Mar, California. Moving it to the right. That's the Del Mar racetrack in the distance. I'm going to zoom. This is on the RC2. That's the racetrack over there. Not too sunny today. That's the 5 freeway that you can see. I'm going to go towards that. I'm at about 168 feet. I'm going to go a little bit higher. I've now made the volume higher to 0 on the Mini Mic. I'm using the DJI Mini Mic. Now I'm going to turn to the left. I'm very excited about this because I've been working for years trying to find out how to put video directly onto the high quality video file without having to use 2 tracks and then synchronize. I'm now going to do a return to home.
Return to home.
Getting full signal. This RC Pro 2 remote is absolutely terrific. The screen is gorgeous. Very easy to operate. It's got lots of little dials, but the best thing about it is you can record sound straight onto, as far as I'm concerned, straight onto the high quality video file instead of having to do a screen recording and then synchronizing it. Look at that. Beautiful. Perfect landing.